Let's learn how to find out if someone is hiding Instagram story from you. I will show you this tutorial from my phone, but you can follow up at any other device if you want. So first we need to do is to open Instagram application, and you will have to go to profile that you think that removed you from story. For example, I added story on my test account just to show you what I want to tell you. For example, if you think that someone is hiding a story from you, you will have to check their highlights, if they have highlights at all. If you can see that person highlights, he or she is not hiding from you. If you are sure that he or she had highlights but now doesn't have, or you doesn't see, that can be because they removed you from looking at their story. What you can do is to just add another account or ask your friend to check if they can see their stories or highlights, or create new account. If it's public you can see, if it's private you have to follow them. So that's it. There is really no more ways to find this out. But